So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can use or implement privacy settings on your Telegram account. So for this, first of all, open your Telegram application and then simply tap on the left three lines, and here you have to tap on the settings option, and then friends, simply scroll down your page and then tap on the privacy and security option, and here you have to scroll down your page and then tap on the phone number, and if your option is selected to everybody by default, then tap on nobody and then tap on this kind of tick option. So as you tap on this option, then tap on last seen and online, and here tap on nobody and then tap on this tick option and tap on OK option. So friends, here tap on profile photos. If your settings is by default to everybody, then select nobody and then tap on tick option, and here tap on forward message calls, select nobody and then tap on tick option. So guys, here you can use all the options according to your requirements, and by using all this option you can implement privacy settings in your Telegram account. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.